Hi, my name is Onia Zira. So in this video, we will show the process of creating our Tableau dashboard. So our dashboard focuses on GDP distribution, top countries by GDP, GDP per capita, share of world GDP, and GDP growth rate. So first of all, we start by preparing our data set, which is we use a data set that includes country names, GDP per capita, GDP 2022, GDP growth rate, and share of world GDP. So before importing into Tableau, we check the missing value. Next, we create the global GDP distribution map. We drag the country into the view, and then Tableau automatically generate a map. Then we add GDP 2022 to color. We use a color gradient to show differences where darker.
The third chart is a highlight table showing the top countries by share of world GDP. This chart helps us quickly compare which country contribute the most to the global economy. Darker or stronger colors represent higher contribution, so we can easily identify the leading country. For this table is a bar chart. It shows the top countries by GDP per capita. In this chart, country is placed in the columns and GDP per capita is placed in the rows. This arrangement helps us clearly compare the values across countries. GDP per capita represents the average income per person, so it is a good indicator of the standard of living. Countries with higher GDP per capita usually have better economic condition and quality of life for their citizens. And the last table is a tree map showing the top countries by share of world GDP. This chart use size to represent value, where larger boxes indicate a bigger contribution of the global economy. It provides a more visual and easy.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 3 and my name is Fatia and I'm going to show you how we create this dashboard. So as you can see here from the data that we have extracted, most of the process requires drag and drop. So it's very easy, just drag the data from the left panel to the dashboard and you can position it wherever you want just by dragging it into the place that you want to put it. And you can also adjust the size of it by dragging the border as you can see in the video.
Hi, my name is Umi. After we add all the graph and charts, we can also adjust all the size and border for all the charts and graph by dragging all the arrow, and also we can also make it fit into the border, and we can also interact in the dashboard by adding any elements. For example, as you can see at the left dashboard, they have objects, and we can try and add the titles for this dashboard.
Hi, it's Fatia again and I'm going to show you the filter function. If you click on a specific country, as you can see the bar chart turns over to the specific country that you click on, so it will be easier for you to understand the data shown in the dashboard. So I think that is all from us, Group 3. Thank you so much for watching.